What's going on, everyone? It's Matthew with Matthew Specialized Detailing, and I hope everybody is doing very well. It is May the 20th, Thursday, and I'm in the vehicle over the road on my way down to Chicago Auto Recon Training Institute. We're getting set up for our upcoming detail training class that's taking place Saturday and Sunday, May 22nd and May 23rd at Chicago Auto Recon Training Institute. Really excited about this, and we've done a handful of these training workshops, and they continue to improve. Not that any of them were bad, but as we continue to develop this program, you know, we are procuring more equipment, more trainers, more tools, more of this, and it's just everything about it is continuing to improve. So I just wanted to say thanks to everybody for their support, and for the people that engage and ask the questions and want to come and work with us and kind of learn some of these tricks and some of the specifics. And I think it's even the terminology that goes along in the modern detailing world. There's so much has changed since I started doing this stuff in the 90s, and if you're not keeping up with all of the trends, you kind of get left behind. So it's exhausting, and this is a cool opportunity where we can all kind of come together and share experiences and kind of share some knowledge and kind of share what we have found that really works very well in the umbrella of paint correction, wet sanding, and ceramic coating. So I'm really looking forward to the this weekend. It's gonna be hot, and that's okay. We're gonna probably barbecue one day in the alley, so that'll be fun. But just wanted to kind of get on YouTube and kind of check in with everybody. I have been so busy in my own shop with my service work that it has kind of just slowed me down a little bit from making YouTube videos. I'm really big on trying to have a work-life balance, and I have my wife to thank for that. My wife Andrea has been a great teacher for me about setting boundaries, and although I'm not perfect with it, I'm still trying to just improve upon that. So, you know, when I'm working in the shop all day, I don't really want to stop and shower and after dinner sit down at the computer at 10 o'clock at night, you know, to work on creating a YouTube video. So it's just some of my own personal growth and some of the way I am trying to navigate how I'm going to handle my YouTube channel moving forward. So one of the things that I've been thinking about is you know, looking at how many videos I've made, I think in just the last year. There's so much information on YouTube, and it's really kind of strange, and so trying to stand out and be different is not necessarily an easy thing. We make all these videos and we see guys doing the torture tests and comparing products and you know, trying to get exposure and to gain traction. And although some of that information is good, maybe too much information is bad, and I want to start working on myself more, instead of how-to videos, kind of more why-do videos, which will explain more process and theory. And I'm thinking about doing more like longer series with my you know, my YouTube channel. So working on doing some changes and working on a few different things that will kind of change the landscape of my YouTube channel as 2021 goes by and as we get into next year. So I just wanted to say thanks everyone for the support. I've had a lot of great people that have encouraged me, kind of like cheerleaders on the sideline going, "Go Maddie, go!" So thank you guys, you know who you are. And if you are new to the YouTube channel, thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching. A lot more cool, exciting things to unfold as 2021 kind of evolves and gets underway. I'm working on a lot of different projects right now, and I'm starting another brand and another business. So more information to follow about that soon, but we're definitely going to be working on some more videos covering some of the stuff that we are doing this weekend at the training class. So please like, subscribe. If you guys want to see more kind of updates, please subscribe to my Instagram channel, Mats_wax. I do a lot more Instagram stories and kind of daily updates. I like the Instagram platform. So if you don't see frequent posts on the YouTube, check me out on the gram. So you guys take care, and we'll see you on the next video.